Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a highly requested topic, home workouts for beginners. The best part? You don't need any equipment to get started. Whether you're new to fitness or looking to get back into a routine, this video will guide you through an effective workout that you can do right at home. So, let's get moving and start building a healthier, stronger you. Why home workouts? Home workouts have become incredibly popular for several reasons, and it's easy to see why. 1. Convenience. You can work out anytime without the need to travel to a gym. 2. Cost-effective. No need for expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment. 3. Comfort. Exercising in your own space can be less intimidating, especially for beginners. 4. Flexibility. You can easily fit workouts into your daily routine, whether early in the morning, during lunch, or late at night. Getting started, setting up your space. Before jumping into the workout, let's ensure you have a suitable space. Here are a few tips to set up your workout area. 1. Clear space. Ensure you have enough room to move freely. You don't need much space, just enough to lie down and stretch out your arms and legs. 2. Comfortable surface. A yoga mat or a carpeted area provides cushioning for floor exercises. 3. Water and towel. Keep a water bottle nearby to stay hydrated and a towel to wipe off sweat. 4. Music or timer. Music can be a great motivator. You might also want a timer or stopwatch to keep track of your intervals. Warm up, preparing your body. Warming up is crucial to prepare your body for exercise and prevent injuries. Here's a simple warm-up routine to get your blood flowing. 1. March in place, 2 minutes. Start by marching in place, lifting your knees and swinging your arms. 2. Arm circles, 1 minute. Extend your arms to the sides and make small circles, gradually increasing to larger ones. Switch directions halfway through. 3. Leg swings, 1 minute. Stand next to a wall or chair for support. Swing one leg forward and backward, then switch to the other leg. 4. Torso twists, 1 minute. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and twist your torso from side to side, letting your arms swing naturally. The workout, full body routine. Now that you're warmed up, let's dive into the workout. This routine consists of bodyweight exercises targeting all major muscle groups. We'll do each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by 15 seconds of rest. If you're just starting, you can reduce the work time to 30 seconds and increase rest time to 30 seconds. Aim for 3 rounds of the circuit, with a 1-minute rest between rounds. 1. Bodyweight squats. Instructions: stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Muscles worked: quads, glutes, hamstrings. Tips: keep your chest up and back straight. Engage your core for stability. 2. Push UPS. Instructions: start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back to the starting position. Muscles worked: chest, shoulders, triceps, core. Tips: if full push-ups are too challenging, modify them by doing them on your knees or against a wall. 3. Mountain climbers. Instructions: begin in a plank position. Bring one knee to your chest, then switch legs, mimicking a running motion. Muscles worked: core, shoulders, legs. Tips: keep your core tight and hips level. Increase speed for more intensity. 4. Plank. Instructions: hold a plank position with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your elbows under your shoulders and engage your core. Muscles worked: core, shoulders, back. Tips: avoid letting your hips sag or rise. Focus on keeping a neutral spine. 5. Lunges. Instructions: stand with your feet together. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push through the front heel to return to the starting position and switch legs. Muscles worked: quads, glutes, hamstrings, calves. Tips: keep your front knee over your ankle and your torso upright. 6. Glute bridges. Instructions: lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top, then lower back down. Muscles worked: glutes, hamstrings, lower back. Tips: engage your core and avoid overextending your lower back. 7. Bicycle crunches. Instructions: lie on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted. Alternate bringing your opposite elbow to your opposite knee while straightening the other leg. Muscles worked: core, obliques. Tips: move in a controlled manner and avoid pulling on your neck. 8. High knees. Instructions: stand with your feet hip-width apart. Run in place, lifting your knees as high as possible. Muscles worked: quads, hamstrings, calves, core. Tips: pump your arms to help maintain balance and increase intensity. Cool down, stretch and recover. Cooling down is just as important as warming up. It helps bring your heart rate down gradually and prevents muscle stiffness. Here's a simple cool-down routine. 1. Forward fold, 1 minute, stand with your feet hip-width apart and slowly bend forward, reaching for your toes. Let your head hang heavy and relax your neck. 2. Quad stretch, 30 seconds each leg, stand on one leg, grabbing your opposite ankle behind you. Pull your heel towards your glutes to stretch the front of your thigh. 3. Hamstring stretch, 30 seconds each leg, sit on the floor with one leg extended and the other bent. Reach for your toes on the extended leg, feeling a stretch in your hamstring. 4. Cat-cow stretch, 1 minute, get on your hands and knees. Alternate between arching your back up, cat, and dipping it down, cow, moving slowly and gently. 5. Child's pose, 1 minute, sit back on your heels with your knees wide apart. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the ground. Tips for success. 1. Consistency is key, aim to do this workout 3 to 4 times a week. Consistency will help you build strength and improve your fitness level. 2. Listen to your body, feeling some muscle soreness is normal, but sharp pain is a sign to stop and rest. Adjust the intensity as needed. 3. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout to stay hydrated. 4. Progress gradually. As you get stronger, you can increase the duration of each exercise or add more rounds to the circuit. 5. Mix it up. To keep things exciting and avoid plateaus, add new exercises or variations to your routine. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed your first home workout for beginners with no equipment needed. Remember, the most important thing is to keep moving and make exercise a regular part of your routine. We hope you enjoyed this workout and feel inspired to continue your fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Share your progress and any questions you have in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for working out with us today. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the following video.